Would you like to work in welding, machining, engineering, and automation? With over 200 manufacturers located in Chautauqua, Cattaraugus, and Allegheny counties, there are jobs available in these fields right now.
These are good paying jobs with benefits and a chance to build a career.
There are small and large manufacturers all over the country
looking for people with these types of skills.
And it all starts at Jamestown Community College. JCC's Workforce Department is currently offering an opportunity to take long-term and short-term training in manufacturing.
Offering both degrees and certificates, as well as industry-recognized credentials, JCC will prepare you for in-demand jobs.
At the end of the day, we need employees that can solve problems, and it starts with getting the hands-on training that JCC provides. That enables us to take you to the next level.
We're looking for people who are understanding of robotics, have a knowledge and a skill set of CNCs.
JCC does a lot of training to get these students engaged into a real-world manufacturing environment.
Technology changes day by day, and JCC is preparing our people for the future. The path to an exciting career in manufacturing all starts at JCC.